first topic of today is develop a collaborative agenda. See, when I was giving you that story at the beginning of the episode, I was explaining what I thought that I saw, but I didn't see what I saw. Okay, maybe you don't understand what I mean by that, family. You see, what I thought I saw was a project manager. I was modeling with that project manager what I thought they did, but see, what I wasn't aware of is that they had a collaborative approach to the agenda. So what they did was they already knew kind of who the stakeholders were because on their project charter it was identified. So he went to those resources and said, who else do we need to get to be part of this project? Identify your stakeholders. And then he went and met with them in a group setting or those particular departments and say, hey, I'm getting ready to do a kickoff meeting. And because I'm getting ready to do a kickoff meeting, I want this to be a collaborative kickoff meeting. I don't want it to be I get on the call and I'm dictative. I'm basically me saying, hey, we're going to do this, we're going to do this. I want to more or less be able to get you engaged into the agenda and really to establish a foundation, which that foundation is the actual expectations. What can you expect on this project, and what are you expecting on this project, and how you're going to be able to collaborate? So that's why I said point number one, family. If you don't know any of the rest of the points that I delivered today, this is a major one.